Good day. Let me start by pausing for a question. What would you do if you wake up in the morning after a good night's sleep, only to find that somebody is constructing a house within your own premises? Some of you may laugh it out to say, well, that will never happen in a civilized world. And some of you may say, well, no, any person can do that. But it is exactly what is happening in my cry-beloved country, Zimbabwe. I'm not talking about 10 years ago, 5 years ago. I'm talking about today being the 29th of October, 2023. This is exactly what happened to me today. Not yesterday, today, Sunday. I received the news that somebody is busy constructing a structure within my business premises at the Mukumbura Business Center and Apfura District Council. Am I surprised? Shocking as it may, I'm not surprised. It's basically because if it is confirmed, it will be the second time that it has happened. In 2008, at the height of ZANU PF violence, a senior ZANU PF person invaded the western side of the shop and started constructing a shanty structure there. And up to now, that structure is there. I approached the Fora District Council for redress, as it should be. As I speak, although they promised to look into it, no communication has been received from them. And no redress has been done. So today, this will be the second one, this time on the western side of the shop. So what that means is, ndangosangwechwa, uku kune weZANU, aka-invade stand, putting a stand within my stand. My shop is in the middle. Kwawe afutungo. I'm yet to confirm whether Mondo there was any kind of code. But I can rest assure you that nobody will have those guards without being connected right to the top. And for a specific reason. That is political. Sezvandiri kutaura izvozvo zvidhina mabreaks anotora mustand mangu ari kunzi this week ndopaakaitwa delivered from Harare right to Mandaroni for a district council, right at the border post, ready to construct. I have no idea what structure they want to construct, but they are there to construct something. I pondered and say, in the 21st century, you'd think that any government would protect its citizens first. Before gallivanting all over the world with the narrative of offering to business. It doesn't make sense to spend so much millions going around the world and trying to woo foreign direct investors in the name of Zimbabwe is open for business, when you can't even respect proper rights of your own citizens. It is unfortunate. The level of vindictiveness by this current government of ZANU PF is shocking. It is really, really shocking. I bought these premises and businesses over 25 years ago when I was in my 20s for one specific reason of bringing development to remote local areas where I was born and grew up from, with one purposeful reason: to provide critical services create employment for the locals. And in a way, I was contributing in a small way to local development, which eventually reflect national development. There was no politics, personal politics. Now, fast track to today, October 2023. This is what I get. And this is, again, I know that this is not unique to me. This is happening all over the country. Maybe some people don't come up. They're silenced and gaped. Unfortunately, I will speak up because that's what I believe. I'm a citizen of Zimbabwe, not by choice, and I've got the right to access the inherited resources of the country and also to invest in my country within the legal framework. But let me warn those who have invaded my business premises that the time for this corrupt government is near. Very soon, we'll have a government for the people, by the people, a government that respects the rule of law, the government that respects property rights. And I am coming for you. I'm coming for you. Everything is being documented. We know that ZANU PF sometimes they do this because they think institutions are captured. As I said, as all this is happening, there are government institutions at that center. Government institutions, and nobody raised a finger. Basically because you can see that somebody is connected somehow. But the law will be applied at the appropriate time. If you ask me whether I'm going to court, I'm not discouraging people who want to go to court to find redress legally. And I will do the same. But to me, it's about timing. I'm aware of that the institutions are captured, and that includes the courts. Am I going to approach the council? Certainly I will, because this lies under their jurisdiction. I will approach the council because I want it to be documented. At an appropriate time, when we've got the real government for the people, that respects its citizens, irrespective of which region they come from, which party they support, then I will invoke the rule of law and deal with situations like this and these issues. So if you think, ZANU PF is going to be ruling the country forever, and that this level of corruption and impunity is going to continue, then think again. Think again, because I'm going to come for you, and I will claim and reclaim what is rightly mine. Those promises have nothing to do with politics. Those promises have nothing to do with opposition or ruling party. Those are pure investments to develop the area. And I would like this government to think and reflect deeply whether is this the Lagos that you want to be known for, or to unite people and to respect the rule of law and support local businesses and investments. Again, no doubt this will not be the first time that I'll come on air about this case and many more. Thank you.